Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 530S. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad 530S only works when plugged in, it's likely that the battery is failing or completely dead. This issue happens when the battery can no longer hold a charge, which could lead to further complications if not addressed promptly. If left unresolved, you may find yourself unable to use your laptop on the go, which can be quite inconvenient. To proceed with the repair, you will need a few tools and materials. First, ensure you have a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a new compatible battery for the Lenovo Ideapad 530S, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. To start, power off your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. Next, place the device upside down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connections. With the back panel removed, you will be able to locate the battery. It usually sits prominently in the center of the device. You may notice that the battery is connected by wires to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect these wires by gently pulling on the connector, being mindful not to tug on the wires themselves. Now, you can remove any screws securing the battery in place. Take note of the screw types, they are typically Phillips screws. Apply gentle pressure to lift the old battery out of its compartment. Once removed, take your new battery and place it into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws to secure the new battery in place, and reconnect the wires to the motherboard. Make sure the connections are firm but do not force them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the back panel with the laptop and press it down until you hear the clips click back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop and check if it operates without being plugged in. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to charge your laptop regularly and avoid leaving it plugged in for long periods when fully charged. Also, consider performing regular checks on your battery health every few months. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.